What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's having an awesome Wednesday. Just got a new packaging today. Two movies I've been waiting for a while. One I just pre-ordered and it's just come in. As you can see, I have it already opened up, so we're gonna have a look and see what's inside. First, we got Elvira, Mistress of the Dark, a special edition. Arrow from Arrow Video. Has a brand new restored from a 4K scan of the original elements. High definition Blu-ray, 1080p presentation. Has some commentary from Cassandra Peterson. This has a reversal cover. Friday the 13th, 40th anniversary limited edition steelbook. Includes uncut and I think R-rated version as well. 1980. I'm glad they went back to the original cover, not the generic ones. I'm certainly hope that they start re-releasing the series with their original covers, because this is awesome. As you can see, I got the shrink wrapped off. Let's turn it around. Here is what the inside looks like. Here's the inside of Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. The reversal cover. You just turn it around and have the original artwork or the new artwork. Alright, that is Elvira, Mistress of the Dark Special Edition and Friday the 13th Limited Edition. Available at Amazon.